Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and to check out the join membership option.
Alright guys, so in this video or in this mini tutorial, I will be showing you how to make an ocean which damages devil fruit players. So in order to get started with this video, first thing you should do is you need to import my new ocean system, my new swim system, as I'm doing right here. So this thing right here, then put all of the components in their correct location. As you can see, this belongs into starter player, starter character scripts. So you need to do so. So drag this inside of this thing, put this inside of the workspace. Then you can delete the rest. Just make sure that you are using any animations. And to add new animations, all you have to do is go inside the swim script right here. And this is my animation ID of my swim animation right here. This is the diving up animation. And this is the diving down animation. So if you want to replace one of these animations, just remove this animation ID right here and add yours to it. Alright, so you can delete these things. Adjust the ocean level and then drag this to here. Alright, so I will be testing this out first just to see if I've set it up correctly. As you guys can see, it works fine. Yeah, everything seems to work fine. Alright. So now, in order to deal damage to devil fruit users, we need to add one of my devil fruits. For those purposes, I'll be adding the sand fruit, the Suna Suna no Mi. Now set this up. Alright, so now in order to deal damage to devil fruit users, we first of all need to make the script to notice that our current player is a devil fruit user, and to do so we can either use a data store which holds a value which represents whether the player is a devil fruit user or not, or we can simply just create a value once the devil fruit was eaten and put it inside of the player, and the swim script always looks for it when trying to make the player swim. Or we can simply just look for the devil fruit attack right here once the player touches the water, and then declare the player as a devil fruit user. But I don't think that this is a good way to clarify whether the player is a devil fruit user or not, because when using another devil fruit, this option right here needs to be changed a little, the name of the devil fruit right here. So now I think that I will be just creating a value inside of this player, because a data store would take too long, I guess, and we just want to keep it as easy as possible. So let's just create a value inside of here, and this script just looks for that value, and if it exists, then the player will receive damage for swimming. Alright, so in order to do so, just go inside this eat server script, then do the following. local x instance of new, make a bool value instead of the player. Now call this bool value del fruit user. Alright, so that's it with creating the value. Now let's make it deal damage. So let's create a function for those purposes. Alright, so do this thing right here as well. Remote times over. No. We first of all have to check whether player is a del fruit user or not. So simply do this thing right here. Or no, never mind. Let's just, instead of doing this, let's just do this. So while our player has some health left and is swimming. So when is our player swimming? When our humanoid root part is below or equals the ocean's position. So the ocean's y position. So what's the ocean's y position? Let's find it out. Minus 1.95. So let's check for this. And parent child my root part position y. Alright, so now it should work fine. Let's see. First of all, I have to eat this thing right here. So now our value is created. Oh. Oh. So now it should work fine. I think there's actually an issue with this thing right here. In order to verify my dot, I'm going to be doing this. Yeah, so there might be an issue with this or this, but I'm actually sure the issue is here. So if I remove this, then it should work, I guess. But so as you can see, I'm receiving damage, but I still receive it while not being on the water. So this is actually very necessary, but for some reason it doesn't want to work. So it doesn't work. So I think that I can just do it as I did here. Just add this -1 to it. Maybe it works now. So the issue is that our humanoid viewport is not exactly below the ocean level. So well, it is, but Now it finally works. So the issue was that wait, so let me just test out some things. So the issue was that our player, does it work? No, it does not work. So let's leave this as it is. So our issue was that this check right here kicked in when our player was still kind of mid-air, so was not below this ocean position. Therefore, this check failed, and this loop did not happen. So in order to fix this, this function will be called with a 1 second delay, which allows this to happen. So this is just that our player is swimming inside of the water, which is the state we want to check, and we don't want to check when the player is still mid-air and not inside of the water. So that was the issue, and I think everything works fine now. Let's test it out another time. So I'm receiving damage, and I'm not receiving damage anymore. So if you've enjoyed this video, leave a like, share this video to all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to check out the join member option, guys. So see you guys in the next video.